And I just want one coconut. Yeah. Thank you. I'm locked in. Damn. Yup. Coconut water Jace has entered the chat. But yeah, what's going on, man? We back in Vietnam. I'm in the same little area I was at yesterday, but I'm walking to a different area right now. It's not bad. I ain't gonna lie, it's a little bit more calm right now. Today at least. It may be one of the things where this city get a little too turned at night, but during the day it's not too bad. Y'all, when I say hot, I wish I could make this up, but I'm gonna be real, it really don't even feel that bad. Like, yeah, I feel sweaty, but like everything is outside, so it's cool. It's not like you sweaty and you gotta go sit inside somewhere, unless you want to, bro. But I'm walking around chilling, coconut on me, alkaline Jace in the building. It's vibes. But I will be honest, I don't really understand how pho is so popular here when it's this hot and humid. Cause like, I'm gonna get some pho by the end of this trip, but best believe that's the last thing on my mind right now. Hot soup, are you crazy? Still walking. I'm walking to the old quarter now. It's supposed to be like the main little area in this part that I'm at. So we're gonna check it out and see what's going on. I'll do this one. How much?
35,000.
35,000? You have change?
Nhìn thấy không?
Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hello.
No, thank you. Whew. I'm quite hot, so I did go mango. Anytime I see something mango, bro, I have to buy it. I don't know what it is. It's like an intrinsic thing, but I have to. Sweat it through the shirt. Still moving. We move. Hella people walking around shirtless. I really should have just did that, but I didn't know. I'll adapt. All kinds of shops. Everybody got motorcycles. We got some jewelry. We got places you can get SIM cards. It seemed crazy to just get a SIM card from some random place and just put it in your phone, but that's what everybody do. And there's hella flags everywhere. They have a lot of pride. I don't know if I've been somewhere else that's seen this many flags. Alright, so let me lock in with the mango. Tell me that don't look bussy. No, it does. Hopefully it's good. Sweetness, 1 to 10. Like an 8. That's all I needed though. Yo, it's hot. I wonder if y'all can tell how sweaty I am. Look at my shirt. It's bad. But everybody's sweating, bro. It's so hot. And some people got mad, like, long sleeves. I don't know if they're not trying to get tanned or what. I've seen people with, like, head wraps and face covers, masks, dresses, bodysuits. I don't know how they do it. I would have died by now, to be honest. Because I'm already on the brink. These people keep asking me if I want to ride. I'm trying to get my steps in. That's crazy. I'll be real, the mango didn't stand a chance, bro. We sent the blitz. Yo, it's still hot, but it feels cooler over here. And we got the view. Wow. There's a big bridge over there. I wonder what's over there. Hey, this hard. Do they got a trash can? That is not a trash can. Is that a trash can? Yeah. Don't litter. Wow. I think it costs to go on the bridge. You gotta get a ticket, apparently, to walk across the bridge. Yeah, the bridge costs like 50,000. The 50 ball. But there's like a special night tomorrow, so I'll probably wait to do that till tomorrow, because I'm not about to pay a 50 ball just to go walk across the bridge. That's kind of bonkers. I need luggage, come shop. Everywhere got the sugar cane juice. The good Yeezys. Wow. They even got the off Yeezys. Wow. If you need your imitation drip, come shop. Lot, that's too much. 100. Oh. Got in the whip. Nervous, a little, but it does feel good at least. I got a little breeze, nice and windy, great scenery. Homes were staring. What up? I feel like a prince. That feels good, y'all. I'm not even hungry no more. I ate right before I had those mangoes, so I'm really straight. All the merch. And y'all get a nice POV to enjoy the scenery. Y'all get to see pretty much every shop on this street. I'm enjoying this though, this is nice. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do about sweating too much. But it's gonna be interesting to maneuver that. I don't know if I should just pop out shirtless tomorrow. Oh, shot ass almost crashed into me. It almost came up on a check. Yeah, I might have to go wife beater, or I might go shirtless. The street's pretty calm though, bro. Last night it was crazy, but it was the weekend yesterday, so that could be it. Shit, I don't know. I just got here. It's only my second day out here. I don't know. I probably could have bargained lower too. He was like 200. I was like, nah, I got you with the one though. Really should have said 50 just to see, to give me some wiggle room. But I already felt like 100 was lowballing. Damn. Damn. I got a concussion. This is nice, man. It's not too bad out here. It's pretty chill. I don't even want to say that. It's not even chill. It's very different. I like it though. It's not bad. You may be watching it thinking, wow, it's kind of crazy. But the vibes are good. Everybody so far has been really friendly. And you don't find that everywhere, so you gotta kind of appreciate that when you got it. And you really can't be mad because you got Vietnamese food. You got good fruits. You got stuff like this where you can feel the breeze on your shoulders. Because my feet was feeling like boulders. Bruh, my GoPro is literally on fire. That can't be good. Good? You're from Vietnam?
Vietnam.
You like it? All right, there we go. I don't know if he knows what I'm saying, but it's good vibes at least. This is a Monday afternoon stroll through Vietnam. He's probably like, gang, you didn't pay me for the cameo. And he right. He got finessed, no I'm playing. Gonna get my cash out so I'm payment ready. Watch somebody pull up and swipe a hundo off me while I'm pulling this up. That would be crazy. Can't lie. It's doable though. I'm lacking right now, I won't lie. There we go. Payment ready. Other than that, we chilling. It's my second day out here. Really just left the hotel to come explore. I did some editing earlier because I still have, at this time, I still have some Japanese vids, some Japan vids that I gotta post. But once those drop, all the Vietnam dropping. What's after that? We're gonna have to see. yeah, Twin knows where we going. Cause I recognize. You got a good memory. My twin back here really good in the city, bro. Don't play with him. I showed him one address. He said, I got you. Just like that, we pushing up. So if any of y'all want smoke, you gotta come through bro first. We handle business. For Shirley. That's where I got the coconut earlier. Shout out to Shawty. He had some too, but she had the better prices, so I really couldn't, you know what I'm saying? Oh. Whoa. I ain't gonna lie, the meat sitting out in the sun is crazy. It's crazy. The stuff I've been eating has been pretty doable. Cause personally, I got a weak stomach. Damn, I got a weak stomach, bro. So you probably Jace. What you doing in Vietnam? You got a weak stomach. Listen. Stop asking so many questions. Just vibe and watch the vlog. Anyways, yeah, so basically I'm trying to eat stuff that's like somewhat FDA approved, like fruit. I don't know what I'm talking about. But we good so far, and I got some stomach pills at the crib, so just in case a piece of banh mi want to get a little freaky, I can handle it. Oh. Oh, Playboy. GoPro is steaming. There's smoke coming out of my GoPro. Mind you, it's 100 degrees. Really 103. Shout out V103. Here you go. I got you, I got you. Give me a tip. I got you. Take care. Man. Hello. Y'all, we're back. And I know I was talking crazy yesterday, but today I walked in a spot. It feels immaculate. Shout out to the AC. It's a big spot too, so I didn't think it would be able to really get it cold for real in here, but it feels like I'm in the fridge. So shout out from to the banh mi I had earlier. Got some sour salt juice. I never had sour salt before. So we'll go see. It's not bad. 7.5 out of 10.